Finally, they're getting here to clean up the right way. Or at least a little bit better than what it was. What a mess out there. This is a big complex. This is just my area here, but they have a whole lot more to do than just my area. And with all this snow and so many cars stuck all over the place, they couldn't even get through the streets to get to us. Now, hopefully with all this now, my husband can get his car out. Because he was not able to get it out. It's dug out. It's all cleaned off, but we weren't able to get it out of the spot and past all this mess. But they're cleaning that up now. And the dog is barking at all the noise, and there's my neighbors are outside also. They're talking out there.